ano kaya kung ikaw pala yung hidden treasure? Ikaw, bawat isa sa atin ay kayamanang natuklasan ni Jesus. He fell in love with you, and falling in love with you, sold everything, including His life, in order to win you. That is how loved you are. Kung ganun po, na minahal ako ng Diyos, ano ang dapat kong gawin? Be who you are. Be aware of your dignity. And what is my dignity? What is my identity? I am a child of God. Live like a child of God. Talk like a child of God. Think like a child of God. And that is all that is being asked of us. Pero napakahirap kasi itinatago natin yung ating pagiging anak ng Diyos. Ayaw nating panindigan kasi baka malugi ang negosyo, baka matalo sa eleksyon, baka mawalan ako ng kaibigan. But you are a child of God. That is your identity. And if you would be unfaithful to that identity, no matter what you do, everything would be empty because you have forgotten who you are. Who are you? I am God's child. I am a saint because my Father in heaven is the God of all holiness.
I am my Father's child. It's all I want, and it's all I need to